Vectorworks has got so many cool 3D tools that it's tempting to forget that it's got some simple things like the 3D Polygon tool. If you're trying to create a shape that goes from this corner up to there, across and then back down, you don't have to use complex working planes, you don't have to use automatic working plane, you can just draw the object with the 3D Polygon tool. So I'm just going to start there, click at that corner, click there, click here, and then double click here to finish. And it creates a 3D polygon. When I render the view, you'll see I've actually got a surface in there. Now the surface has no thickness, but that's okay, because there's lots of other things I could do with that. I could create another 3D polygon that goes from the center of this object here, comes across here, comes down to the midpoint there, across to that midpoint over there, and then back there again. So that's created another 3D polygon. Well, what could I do with these two 3D polygons? I could use tools like my loft surface to join them together. In order to loft between these two shapes, don't forget that you need to convert those to a NURBS curve. So modify, convert, convert to a NURBS. Now that I've converted these two objects to a NURBS curve, I can use my loft surface tool with the first mode, and I can select that first polygon and then the next one, enter, create solid, and it'll create a solid object. Just before I delete those parts I started with, we'll just have a look around it. So you can see it's created quite a hard shape, but I've used these objects to draw it. So it's created a closed, solid object like this, which might be quite hard normally to make. So when you've got a complex shape to make, don't forget that there are some simple techniques you can use, like the 3D polygon. Thank you for watching. For the leader in Vectorworks training and manuals, visit learn.archoncad.com.